Your Samsung phone keeps restarting. Is there a way to deal with it? Okay, we shall let you know a dozen methods to get your phone back to normal. Part 1. Samsung phone keeps restarting? Try the 11 quick solutions. Solutions 1. Turn off auto restart in Samsung settings. Solutions 2. Check loose battery. Solutions 3. Free up storage space on Samsung. Solutions 4. Update your Galaxy phone or tablet. Solutions 5. Take out the SD card. Solutions 6. Boot Samsung into safe mode. Solutions 7. Disable auto-optimize daily. Solutions 8. Enable system apps. Solutions 9. Reinstall or remove apps. Solutions 10. Wipe cache partition. Solutions 11. Factory reset Samsung. Part 2. Use an ultimate tool to fix the Samsung Galaxy keeps restarting issue. After trying quick methods, their effectiveness for Samsung phone keeps restarting is uncertain. For an effective solution, consider Android repair. No skills required. It fixes diverse Android issues.